Hey there, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we are talking about the best mini travel umbrella that is designed to keep you ready for sudden weather changes anytime. If you want something compact, stylish, and easy to carry every day, this could be the perfect pick for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. Let's get started.
The Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is all about convenience and smart design. It is made for people who want something small but reliable, so you never get caught in the rain or strong sunlight without protection. From the moment you hold it, you can tell it is built to fit easily into your daily routine.
One of the most impressive features of the Copulin Mini Travel Umbrella is its ultra-compact size. It folds down to under 6 inches, which means it can easily fit into your bag, pocket, or even a small purse. Along with that, it weighs only about 7 ounces, so carrying it around feels effortless and never bulky. Another standout feature is its eco-friendly construction. The Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is made from recycled dual-layer polyester, and each umbrella helps save around 12 plastic bottles. This means you are not only getting a useful product, but also supporting a more sustainable choice. The dual-layer design also plays an important role in performance. The outer layer is fully rainproof, keeping you dry even during heavy rain, while the inner mesh layer allows airflow. This helps prevent heat and moisture buildup, so you stay comfortable instead of feeling trapped under the umbrella. Sun protection is another strong advantage. The Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella comes with a UPF 50+ coating that blocks harmful rays from the sun. This makes it useful not just for rain, but also for hot, sunny days when you need reliable protection. The carrying case adds even more convenience. The Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella includes a wallet-sized case made from PU leather with a strong zip closure. It keeps the umbrella secure and prevents water from leaking out, so your other items stay dry and safe. Another useful detail is its quick-dry design. After use, the Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella dries fast, which makes it easy to pack away without worrying about wet mess or discomfort. The overall build quality also feels solid and reliable. The Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is designed to last while still staying lightweight and easy to handle. It gives you confidence that it will work when you need it most. In terms of style, the Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella stands out with its sleek and modern look. The glossy finish of the case gives it a premium feel, almost like a mini clutch, making it both practical and fashionable at the same time. Everything about the design feels thoughtful. From its compact form to its protective layers, the Copulin Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is built to offer both comfort and reliability without taking up space. Small size, big convenience. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.